Hey, welcome to ChatLab. In today's video, we'll show you how you can integrate ChatLab with WooCommerce. Let's go! Integrating WooCommerce with ChatLab allows your chatbot to fetch product details and provide customers with their order details. Here's how to set it up. First, select your chatbot and open the Integrations tab. Here you can see all the major e-commerce platforms that ChatLab supports. Let's navigate to WooCommerce and let's enable this integration. First, enter the URL of your WooCommerce store. Next, grab your customer key from WooCommerce. Go to REST API under Advanced in Settings, create a new key, and copy it. Paste it into ChatLab. Now, get your customer secret, which is found next to your customer key. Copy and paste it into ChatLab as well. Here you can choose to display your product's short description instead of regular product description. The last option allows you to configure what is displayed in a chat window when the chatbot gets data from WooCommerce. The chatbot is now configured to connect WooCommerce for product searches and order details. The next step is to add the chatbot to our store. In the WordPress or WooCommerce administration panel, go to Plugins and install the ChatLab plugin. After you install the plugin, go to ChatLab plugin settings and paste the chatbot ID that you can take from your ChatLab chatbot information. It's the first tab after selecting chatbot. Now let's test this. Let's go to our chatbot and ask it to help us find products in our store. Let's say I'm looking for a t-shirt. And as we can see, the chatbot searches for the products and shows them to the user. And that's it for WooCommerce integration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch our first video if you need the basics. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!